Extortion, intimidation, and corruption, some of the complaints News 9 Investigates has learned are in a civil lawsuit filed against the Pease Development Authority and others. According to the lawsuit, the director of the New Hampshire Port Authority, Gino Marconi, is said to have been the driving force for much of the alleged illegal activity. Marconi is still on leave. As WMUR's Ray Brewer reports, Marconi is also currently under indictment in a criminal case in which a hearing was held this morning.
Gino Marconi wasn't present for today's hearing, but we did learn that the defense has a lot of information to get through. There are over 20,000 pages of discovery. The hearing in the criminal charges against Gino Marconi took only minutes. Marconi is facing 2 felonies and 4 misdemeanors for allegedly providing a motor vehicle record to another person and deleting some voicemails after an investigation was launched. There is still no date for the trial.
Once defense has been able to look at everything and we have substantive conversations, then we can start picking dates and see where we're going.
Marconi also figures prominently in a newly filed civil suit against the Pease Development Authority and the Division of Ports and Harbors. News 9 Investigates learned that the Rye Lobster Pound, which leases land from the PDA, is alleging that Marconi and Paul Breen, the executive director of the PDA, abused their authority to harm the Rye Lobster Pound. Among the actions, imposing a concessions fee of 10% on gross sales, a fee not applied to other similar businesses, cutting the restaurant's water line and then obstructing its efforts to install a new one. The suit claims that part of the motivation for the actions was that Marconi or his family operate Gino's Chowder and Sandwich Shop, a competitor of the Rye Harbor Lobster Pound. It adds that the Port Authority required the business to hire security personnel employed by the Port Authority, and the security personnel were overly hostile towards Rye Harbor Lobster Pound and its customers. News 9 approached Marconi's criminal lawyers about the civil suit, but they had no knowledge of it. The prosecution likewise was unaware that the civil suit had been filed. No trial date's been set in the criminal case against Marconi, but both sides will be back in court on March 11th. In Brentwood, Ray Brewer, WMUR News 9.
The Attorney General's office, which will represent the PDA in the civil lawsuit, says it is reviewing the complaint, adding the Public Integrity Unit takes any allegations of misconduct seriously.